In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new product category in QuickBooks. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or just starting out, organizing your products into categories can make your inventory and accounting management so much more efficient. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open QuickBooks. Navigate to your preferred web browser and log into QuickBooks by visiting their homepage. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your hub for managing everything related to your finances, so get comfortable with what you see here, as it's where the magic happens. Now, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the home page where you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings button. Go ahead and click on that. The settings area in QuickBooks gives you access to various configurations and tools within your account, so clicking here is your first step in customizing your product organization. Once you've clicked on Settings, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select the All Lists option. The All Lists section is where you'll find detailed configurations for things like products and services, recurring transactions, and more. It's like the backstage area where all the setup happens. Then, within the All Lists page, see the option labeled Product Categories. Click on that. This takes you to all the existing categories you've set up for your products. Categories are crucial for sorting and managing your inventory, especially if you have many items. They help keep your QuickBooks account structured and easy to navigate. Once you're on the Product Categories page, look for a button that says Create New Category. Clicking this button is your gateway to adding a new organization layer for your products. It's a simple but vital step in expanding or refining how your inventory is organized. When you hit the Create New Category button, a new box will appear asking you to enter the category name. Think carefully about how you want your products to be categorized. This name should be intuitive and meaningful, so that when you or someone else looks at your QuickBooks dashboard, it's immediately clear what's inside that category. After typing in your category name, click the Save button to finalize your new category. And that's it. You've successfully added a new product category to your QuickBooks account. Now, as you continue to add products to your inventory, you can assign them to this newly created category, helping you keep everything beautifully organized. By following these steps, you'll have a more cohesive structure within QuickBooks, ensuring better management of your products and streamlining your accounting processes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.